Hey y'all, Tanny here. Today I'm going to show you the very delicious fruit I like to enjoy as my sweet treat at the end of the day. So I love strawberries and grapes. I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious fruit dip that you can make with just two very basic ingredients. It'll be absolutely amazing for any fruit you want to dip. To start off with, you want to pick very beautiful fruit that is firm and ripe. And so that is what I have with my strawberries. And what I'm going to do next is make sure I wash them very well. To clean my berries, I'm filling my bowl with about a cup of white vinegar and the remaining part cold water. I let my fruit soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want to let your berries soak too long and get mushy. After letting my fruit soak, I rinse it off in a colander with cold water. And then you want to be very sure that you dry each berry carefully with either a dry paper towel or a dry kitchen towel. And look at how beautiful that berry is. And these grapes look absolutely amazing as well. So for our dip, we're going to use two basic ingredients. We're going to use sour cream and brown sugar. Yes, these two basic ingredients are absolutely amazing together. So I'm going to show you two different ways to make this dip for your berries, especially your strawberries, but really you can use it for any fruit. First off, you want to put 1 part brown sugar in a bowl and 1 part sour cream in a bowl. It could be a very small amount, a tablespoon in each. And then you want to take your clean and dried strawberry and dip it in your sour cream very carefully so that it is well coated first. And then you want to sprinkle the brown sugar on top of the sour cream, and you will be amazed at how delicious the brown sugar and sour cream mixture is. The sour cream has a nice tang or pop to it, and the brown sugar puts a nice sweetness that you will absolutely enjoy. And look at how amazing these two basic ingredients look together. So after you enjoy this delicious bite of a strawberry, let me show you the other option. The other option is to mix your sour cream and your brown sugar together. Yes, I recommend mixing both your sour cream and your sugar together in equal parts. But if you wanted to start off with, say, 4 tablespoons of sour cream and just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to see if you like that small amount of sugar, you could absolutely do that first. You could absolutely eat it now, but the dip will become even more soft and creamy if you let it rest in the refrigerator for 5 or 10 minutes. But after it has well rested, you'll notice how creamy and dewy it is, and it will be absolutely delicious with any fruit you want to dip in it. I recommend berries, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.